Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into Reddit and uncovering how to view your history. Whether you're looking to revisit past discussions or check out your activity patterns, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone or go to the Reddit website on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account. To ensure everything runs smoothly, double-check that you're using the latest version of the app. If needed, update it through the App Store or Google Play. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap or click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, look for the History option. Tap or click on it to enter the History section. In this section, you'll find a chronological list of your activity on Reddit. This includes your posts, comments, and upvotes. Scroll through the list to revisit your previous interactions, or simply explore your Reddit journey. And that's it! You've successfully accessed your Reddit history in just a few easy steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy Redditing!